your...
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of the 12 Days of Christmas hair series. Once again, we have another tutorial, and for today it will be boho passion twists, jumbo passion twists. Of course, these are not small passion twists, we are doing jumbo ones. Along the way, we're just gonna start off with the parting, so you guys can basically see how the whole hair is parted before the style actually comes into play. Step by step, I'm gonna go between fast and slow, so you guys can kind of get a feel of how fast it's going, how's the parting going, and also can see my hand motion and how I'm twisting it compared to when I add in the hair. So of course this is the rubber band method, so the rubber bands are going to be added within the parts of the hair before we actually start twisting, so you guys can kind of see how that works too. If you like and subscribe, down below you're going to see a series of products that were used for this style, whether or not it's the passion twist hair that you need or the curls that you need, including all of the gel products and whatnot that was used for this style, so you guys can, click on the links down below and check it out. Down below will also feature my social medias, Instagram and TikTok, and just the rest of the videos before. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel and see the rest of the tutorials, please do so. But enjoy my video. Thank you.
You're on top of my list, only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow fail. I wanna have someone to hold, walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow fail. I wanna have someone to hold, walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh. I'm trying to tell you. Wanna have someone to hold, walking through the falling snow. I'm no longer going away, right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our...
Now that we have an up-close vision, we're going to start the slow step-by-step process. So as you can see, we're taking a crochet needle and we're crocheting 3 pieces of the passion twist through that one piece of hair. We're going to tighten the rubber band so that it actually stays solid. And now we're just going to twist one side in one passion, twist the other side, and then start to slowly twist down, just so you can get that tight fit and look. Now you take one hair through, leave it up, and you continue twisting. That's all. Of course, you know, some people can't grasp it. It is a complicated process, but of course we're going to go back through this again. You just continue twisting down, and we are going to add another curly piece as we go along.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
Santa Claus can see and make you mine. Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas all about love. In that case, can I have the one that I've been dreaming of? Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas all about love. It's the only thing on my wish list now. Tell me, Santa. Reindeer trotting through the snow. Whistles leading the show. Rudolph with his nose all aglow. Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas all about love. In that case, can I have the one that I've been dreaming of? Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas all about love. Will I get the one thing I'm wishing for? Will I get that one thing I'm wishing for? Will I get the one thing I'm wishing for? Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, 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 la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Yeah, so you guys are probably wondering what is going on and in total confusion right now, but I just zoomed up a little bit so you guys can see me twisting the front of her hair. But we did need a little helper since it was 12 a.m. by this point in time. So while I was twisting the hair on one side, my little helper was just crocheting the other side. So that's just what you guys are seeing right now.
Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow we're